how to play REPO with random people. So here's what you want to do. You want to open up the game, then you will click on host game. Are you the person with the best computer? Okay, click on yes. Now here you can start a new game. Do you want to start a new game? We're just gonna click on yes, like so. And here we are just gonna click on the invite button. Click on invite, then click on your profile icon, and here where it says join game, you want to right click and then copy link address. Once we have copied this address, what we're gonna do is go into Discord. I've just go searched for Discord repo. I've joined the official repo Discord here, and there is a channel called Find Group. You will see a bunch of people pasting their links. So the link that you just copied, you will right click and paste, and then here people can join you and it's gonna take them directly to your game. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.